If you do what you love, you'll never work a single day of your life. This is a very common, yet easier said than done quote. Creative careers often have the stigma of not being actual jobs. But what if I told you you can actually make a decent living or sideline with your passions and hobbies? Whether it's pursuing your art full-time or sideline, you can actually earn from your content now. It's within your reach more than ever. Let me introduce you to Gank, the simplest way to earn for creators. Gank is a content membership platform that helps creators accept donations, manage memberships, and sell merch for free. But before I give you a tour of this cool platform, allow me to introduce myself. You may recognize me from my main channel, Manic Pixie Danny. I'm a YouTube partner, streamer, cosplayer, songwriter, and teacher. I use my platform to share my passions and advocacies, mostly about gaming, music, and everything in between. Whereas on this platform, I'm dedicating it to teach you everything you need to know about earning from your content, as well as making the most out of your Gank platform. So with me as your host, Manic Pixie Danny, you will learn the best way possible to use Gank. If this piques your curiosity, feel free to subscribe to both our channels and to turn on all notifications so you get notified every time we have a new episode. Now let's get on with the video. What can you do on Gank? Once you make an account, you can sign up as a creator so you can provide services, sell digital items, and accept donations from your community. You can also create a supporter account to browse different types of creators, hire their services, and purchase digital goods. But of course, regardless of what kind of account you make, you can still get all these lovely features. How do I set up my profile? To establish yourself as a credible creator or artist, of course, you need a professional and complete profile. Like on other social media platforms, you need a high-quality profile picture and cover photo or banner. The great thing about this platform is that you can actually upload up to 5 photos for your slideshow banner or have one video. Afterward, of course, you have to write a good bio and introduce yourself. The cool thing about Gank is that you can actually attach a voice clip so that your introduction is more personal or intimate. Apart from this, you can also link all of your social media like YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, Instagram, and more. I really like this feature because Gank can now act as your all-in-one link, just like beacons or card. Except this one can also contain your merch, donations, and more. How do I set up my shop? For your shop, you actually have the option to have 3 different types of listings: services, digital goods, or merchandise. Depending on the type of content creator or artist you are, your listings of course would differ. If you'd like to see samples and suggestions for different types of listings, then stay tuned for another episode, because I'll talk about different types of creators and how they can utilize Gank to the fullest. Why should I use Gank instead of other platforms? Gank has 0% fees when receiving donations. This means that creators earn 100% of their earnings, just as they deserve. It is also the first platform to allow localized payments to all its users. This means that you no longer need a PayPal account. You can use your Gcash, and it's so much more convenient. This being said, it is now easier for both content creators and supporters, especially from Southeast Asia. Last but not least, the minimum withdrawal amount is just $10 US. This is amazing because most platforms require at least $100 US before you can withdraw your earnings. Now, if you're still not convinced to use Gank, I do suggest that you download the app or go to the website and try it out for yourself. Overall, I really appreciate Gank as a platform. And the best part is that it believes in you as an artist in making your career sustainable. So if you aren't on Gank yet, what are you waiting for? Join Gank now through the link in the description below. Once again, I'm Manic Pixie Danny, and if you're interested in gaming, cosplay, and music, do check out my channel. I also have a creative classes series there, so I teach you everything I know about my passion, and they will be related to the stuff I'll be sharing you in this channel. So see you on the moon. Just kidding. See you on Gank.